In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method on Jotform. If you're looking to get your forms ready to accept payments, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and go through this process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to jotform.com and sign in using your credentials. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, but assuming you're all set, log in and let's get started. Once you're into your Jotform account, navigate to the form that you want to modify. You can do this from your dashboard or by accessing your workspace if you've organized your forms into folders. Now we're going to enter the form builder by selecting the form you want to work on. Look at the upper left corner and you'll see a button labeled Add Form Element. Click on this button. This is where you generally start when you want to add new fields or features to your form. Once the panel opens, glance over and you should see a tab labeled Payments. Clicking on this tab will bring up a range of payment gateways that Jotform supports. It's now time to choose your preferred payment gateway. Whether you want to set up PayPal, Stripe, or another service like Square, you'll find them all listed here. Simply type the name of the payment gateway you want to use into the search bar and select it once it appears. Once you've selected your preferred payment gateway, Jotform will provide you with the necessary steps to connect your account. Typically, this involves entering information like your API keys, which are unique to your payment provider, or it could be as simple as inputting your email and password. Make sure you have your payment gateway details at hand to make this process as smooth as possible. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by Jotform to complete the connection. This is crucial to ensure that your form is properly set up to receive payments securely. If at any point you're unsure, many payment gateways have help sections or customer support that can guide you through this setup. Once your payment gateway is successfully connected to your form, you'll notice an option to use at the end of the setup. Click on Use to finalize the process, and there you have it, your Jotform is now ready to accept payments. Remember, having a connected payment method lets your customers transact smoothly, making for a better experience on their end. I hope this guide has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and be sure to reach out in the comments if you have any questions.